Hey, it's Billy Umansky, the Lawman, here with attorney Brice Aikens.
How you doing?
Good. Brice, we have some good news today. You want to tell us about it?
Got some great news, A case that's been in litigation for almost 2 years. Client's facing some serious charges, potential life in prison, and today we got the case dismissed. So client goes home, no repercussions, no further sanctions, and although we felt confident putting the case in front of the jury, we no longer have to worry about it at this point.
Well, that's great, Brice. One of the things I want to ask you about is, can you tell me what the client was originally charged with?
He was charged with attempted, first-degree murder, and with a firearm, so his life, as well as shooting into an occupied vehicle.
Oh, those are pretty serious charges. What is the potential penalty he faced if he was convicted by a jury and a judge would sentence him?
25 years to life in prison. No possibility of parole.
And most of the time after trial, usually the judges give you in the higher range of that, typically, or no?
In these types of cases, it would have been a life sentence.
So while you position the case to go to trial, oftentimes people think that if they're not guilty or they're innocent, that a case should go to trial. Oftentimes, actually, it's the opposite, right?
That is in certain cases, but this was a case where we got into the litigation and we started doing our own investigation, and it was turning a lot in our favor as far as what the evidence did and did not show. And so we was prepared to take this to the jury and let a jury of my client's peers decide his fate. And before we got to that point, which we were scheduled for another 3 weeks for the trial date, the assistant state attorney decided to dismiss all the charges against my client, and he's now a free man this evening.
Now, what I love about this story, and we're going to need help from our cameraman who's locked behind the camera, is that I think this is champagne, right?
This is.
Here's a toast to you.
Toast.
And to the client, we're happy for him. But what I think is funny, which is awesome about Brice, can we have that real quick? Is I think you bought this before the trial.
Well, you always got to be confident that you're going to win.
So Aikens buys himself a bottle of champagne prior to the trial, thinking he's going to win it to pop it. But better result, we get the case dismissed, so no stress to the client at all, no potential for something bad to happen. And Brice even gets a better result, gets the prosecutor to drop it once they saw the case was falling apart, right?
That's exactly, and you always be prepared. You always want a trial lawyer that's prepared, and that's why we board certified, because we always come with the best.
And not only is Brice board certified, but he's very confident and optimistic. And you need a lawyer that's confident and optimistic, because a lot of lawyers just fold in cases of crisis. And having someone that is not only board certified but willing to take it to the mat, I gotta tell you, as a trial lawyer, you don't win every one, right?
We don't.
And when you get to a situation where you prepare and do the investigation, and the state does the right thing and drops it because of the work that you did with investigation, Brice, that's a great feeling. So,
Absolutely.
congratulations to you again.